Jay.
How you doing?
Nice to meet you.
Likewise.
Fidel.
We're waiting for photography.
Yeah.
So,
Oh, you already know you won?
Yeah, I've been holding it in for like a month now, man.
but yeah, I guess give a rundown that you're gonna start.
Okay.
Yeah, 6:45 I'm gonna start talking. At 7 o'clock we're gonna just do the big unveil. So I'll introduce you and everything.
Okay, sounds good.
Yeah, so we'll go from there.
Okay.
Stick around. You'll hear it. I'll be on the mic.
Okay. Sounds good.
20 JDK will take over.
All right, yeah, that sounds good. Sounds good.
All right, bro.
Awesome. All right, thanks, guys. So that was the Toyo Tires guy. I guess they're gonna talk to me for a bit. But check out this S Club 300 SLs. Crazy cars. Beautiful. Do a quick walk around. There's just too much going on, and it's hot. I mean, the sickest cars are here. Sickest cars of SoCal are here, and just the highest level of builds come here. One of the best meets of the year, honestly. So, and I'm happy to be part of it. I was a finalist twice, but today is something new for me.
It's great.
But yeah, let's just walk around, maybe take some shots. I got my Nikon F3 today.
I already figured it out.
Shooting on cinestill 800T today.
2 cows and a sheep. Oh, that's what you got.
Yeah, I got it.
Well, it was wrapped, so I didn't. It doesn't even when you pull up a Carfax, it doesn't tell you exactly what happened.
Hey, they're gonna announce it like at 7. Oh yeah, congrats on the Tacoma, by the way.
Oh yeah.
We'll make sure we
Yeah, no, I would appreciate it if you guys were there. Thank you. How to what?
How do they select them? Is it no?
Oh, there's like
it's internal, right?
No, he didn't even take the photo.
It's like 5. It's like
He was like, really? What a fun guy.
It's gonna be at 7, all right? 7 o'clock. Yeah.
Yeah, I was gonna say, motorcycle, take these 2 photos and put them together. You make a stick so I win the photos.
I don't know how they win. Honestly, like I told you, I've been trying to win it for 5 years. I feel like they saw my name. I was like, oh fuck this guy again. Let's just give it to him. just give it to him.
Shooting since I was 16. I photo. So what's up with that? I ran from the cost twice. Successfully.
I do not run from the cops. My name is Sam Dobbins. This is my photo.
It's a great shot. And I was shooting for about 20 years.
So we're just introducing, so just say your name, you know, and like, just say your name, like how you do photography and stuff like that. Actually, just wait here.
Yeah.
I'm Joe, and I shot LBB. My first photo on that record, so I'm bringing proud to be here. I've been doing this about 9 years. And a fun fact is I have a weird obsession with airport Porsches. I don't know, they're fun.
You like money?
Yeah! I don't have any.
Yeah, let's give it a round of applause for the photographer. So we did know, if you guys looked at the Toyo Tires page, you would have saw at least, actually you would have saw the 20 final contestants. And if you're looking at this wall here, you can notice that there's 19. And there's one photo missing. Right here. So I'd like to introduce the 2025 winner.
Hi guys, my name is Fidel.
Here we go.
Inspiration, art piece, what was going through your mind, how did you get this on, how did this get set up?
So I was just thinking about having something that stands out, and so I thought, you know, get a biker to do a wheelie. In fact, that biker is right there, Nestor. That's Nestor, aka Sinister. And then you guys maybe know this car and the owner. That's Alan, aka Smoke Dog Customs, and that's his Spyder, Porsche Spyder. And yeah, we just were looking to get a really dramatic roller, and I had this idea of having it in a tunnel where, you know, you kind of get that perspective of just speed in a tunnel. But that's about it. I just wanted to say congratulations to everybody, honestly. I mean, these are, I feel like any of these photos could have won. I look at them and I feel like any of them could have won, and to be up here, it's like no small feat. So, I mean, congrats to everybody.
All right, there you have it. Shutter Space customer winners. Want to give it up for everybody who showed up. And yeah, so we're going to run this until 9 o'clock tonight. You guys don't have to go home, but you got to get the hell out of here at 9. So, let's go.
Thank you. Thank you, man.
Beautiful shot, man.
Thank you. Thank you.
The view next to your photo real quick.
Oh, yeah, sure.
I'm trying to find Timorous right now.
Yeah. I'm still trying to find Alan. I can't find him, dude. I want to get a photo with him, and like, I want him to have it, I guess, because he doesn't. Right. Yeah. No, you guys can go if you want. I'll try to meet you after.
Wait, now am I recording?
I am recording still.
Get these guys. No.
Oh no, let me get a quick photo right here. Right here. No, what are you doing? What are you doing, man? Oh yeah, hey. This is my boy Jeff, 55K wagon. When the dad wagon, or is it a mom wagon?
It's the mom wagon.
Yeah, man. Hey, what's up, guys? Nice, man. It's awesome. Are you heading out?
Yeah, we're heading out.
All right, man. Have a good night.
You too.
Take care, man. Dude, that thing's sick, man.
He bought my freaking C63 mufflers.
M157, bro.
No, they're C250 mufflers. The 6310.
Oh yeah, yeah. I wanted to get a photo of you guys, and your brother's getting all scared.
Everybody, grab I guess they'll just.
All right, let me take a quick photo, real quick. All right, 1, 2, and 3. There's like another meet down the street. I think they're gonna head over there. It's like a chassis dog meet. It's supposed to be a lot of supercars there or something. I don't know if you're down ahead there. Hi. So hey, I'm not too sure if like I'll make it to the other meet. So if I don't see you, just I'll see you next time, bro.
Yes, my guy.
Thank you. Hey, congrats to all of us. You made it happen too, man. Just let me know about tomorrow. I'll send you the Addy. All right. If you can, fine. Cool. Sick wheels, bro. Gavin. Oh, he doesn't see me. He doesn't see me.
Gavin's weird.
I know, yeah.